Reed here with Century 21 Trophy Class, and today we are back in Newaygo, Michigan on a gem of piece of property overlooking the Muskegon River here behind me. We're about a hop, skip, and a jump up from the Thornapple boat launch, sitting looking at a house just under 4,000 square foot, and also sits on 15.5 acres. You've got a nice out garage, a covered lean-to, got a great viewing deck, beautiful piece of property featuring deer, turkey, and as mentioned, about 3 parcels down and right off the road you can get to the Thornapple boat launch, drop in a drift boat, drop your tubes, kayaks, jump in the jet boat, shoot up. You've got a nice little walkway down to the river. Great spot to anchor your boat or stick a lawn chair in the river. Not only do we have about 500 foot of frontage here, but across the river is all public land, so no worries about people building houses or any structures going up. It's going to be, you know, a natural view of the woods, and you get to enjoy the river. But enough of me talking, let's go check it out. If this is a place that you could see yourself planting roots, feel free to give me a shout, 616-414-2953, or you can reach me via email at reed@trophyclassrealestate.com.